Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's enter the software information and localize the build number. Basically, right now we will have to turn on the developer options just by keep tapping on the build number. As you can see, we've got this information. If you want to learn more about the developer options, simply check our tutorial about it. So now, after activating, we can go back and scroll down again, because as you can see, the developer options will appear right under the About Phone. So let's tap on it, and here all we have to do is to scroll down a little bit to find this automatic system updates. Simply tap on this switcher to turn it on, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will be allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will basically have a chance to apply the updates. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.